Hey everyone! Welcome back to Science Vibes, where we explore the wonders of the universe. Today, we're diving into one of the most fascinating planets in our solar system, Mars. Known as the Red Planet, Mars has captured the imagination of scientists, explorers, and dreamers for centuries. We'll uncover its mysteries, explore its incredible features, and even talk about the possibility of life on Mars. So, if you're excited, hit that subscribe button, and let's get started. Mars is one of the most talked about planets in our solar system. It's the fourth planet from the Sun and the second smallest, right after Mercury. But don't let its size fool you, Mars has a lot to offer. From its striking red color to its massive volcanoes and deep canyons, Mars is a planet full of surprises. Let's start with the basics. Mars is called the Red Planet because of its reddish appearance, which is caused by iron oxide, or rust, on its surface. This gives Mars its unique and iconic color. But did you know that Mars is only about half the size of Earth? Its diameter is roughly 6,779 kilometers compared to Earth's 12,742 kilometers. Mars has a very thin atmosphere made mostly of carbon dioxide. Unlike Earth, its atmosphere is not dense enough to trap heat, which is why Mars is a cold planet with an average temperature of about -60 degrees Celsius. At night, it gets even colder, dropping to -125 degrees Celsius in some regions. One of the most amazing things about Mars is its surface. It's home to some of the largest geological features in the entire solar system. For example, Mars has the tallest volcano, Olympus Mons, which is nearly 22 kilometers high. That's almost 3 times the height of Mount Everest. Imagine standing at the base of a volcano that tall. Not far from Olympus Mons is Valles Marineris, a massive canyon system that's over 4,000 kilometers long. To put that into perspective, it's about as long as the distance between New York and Los Angeles. It's also up to 7 kilometers deep, making it one of the most spectacular features in the solar system. Mars also has polar ice caps made of water and carbon dioxide. These ice caps grow and shrink depending on the seasons, which are similar to Earth's but twice as long, since a year on Mars lasts about 687 Earth days. Did you know that Mars has 2 small moons? They're called Phobos and Deimos, and they're not like our moon at all. These moons are irregularly shaped and much smaller, with Phobos being about 22 kilometers wide and Deimos about 12 kilometers wide. Scientists believe they might be captured asteroids from the asteroid belt. One of the biggest questions about Mars is whether it has, or ever had, life. While no signs of life have been found so far, scientists are fascinated by the discovery of ancient riverbeds, dried-up lakes, and evidence of water on Mars. Billions of years ago, Mars likely had a much thicker atmosphere and flowing water, which makes it possible that microbial life could have existed. In recent years, NASA's rovers like Curiosity, Perseverance, and others have been exploring the Martian surface, looking for clues about its past. Perseverance, for example, is searching for signs of ancient life and collecting rock samples to be brought back to Earth in future missions. Humans have always dreamed of visiting Mars, and this dream is getting closer to reality. Space agencies like NASA, ESA, and private companies like SpaceX are working on plans to send humans to Mars within the next couple of decades. SpaceX, led by Elon Musk, even has ambitious goals of building a permanent settlement on Mars to make humanity a multiplanetary species. But why is Mars such an attractive destination for exploration? One reason is that Mars has resources that could support human life, like water ice, which can be used for drinking, farming, and even making fuel. Plus, its day length, about 24.6 hours, is very similar to Earth's, making it easier to adapt to compared to other planets. However, living on Mars would not be easy. Its thin atmosphere provides no protection from harmful radiation, and its freezing temperatures and dust storms would make survival challenging. But with advancing technology, these hurdles might one day be overcome, and Mars could become our second home. Mars has always been a source of inspiration in books, movies, and TV shows. From H.G. Wells' The War of the Worlds to modern-day movies like The Martian, the idea of exploring and surviving on Mars continues to captivate our imagination. It's incredible to think that what was once science fiction might soon become a reality. So, there you have it. Mars, the mysterious red planet, is so much more than just a neighbor in our solar system. It's a world full of fascinating features, ancient mysteries, and the promise of future exploration. Whether it's towering volcanoes, evidence of water, or the dream of human colonization, Mars will always be a planet of endless intrigue. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to Science Vibes for more exciting content about space and science. Share this video with your friends who love exploring the cosmos, and let me know in the comments, what do you think about the idea of humans living on Mars? Would you want to visit one day? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep exploring and stay curious.